Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Felicia Travels. It's the channel where I provide you the best travel tips based on my own experience. And in this video I will take you to a secret place in Bangkok, which only locals know about and no tourists, I promise. Okay, we are now in a boat and we are sailing through the canals and we are going to take the subway in a bit because there is a beautiful place that gets... Hi! She recommended me to see the birds over there, and it's quite a hidden gem in Bangkok because only most locals know it and a lot of foreigners don't know it. So we will see how the bird scenery will be. Our hostel is located near Khao San Road, so we first had to take a longtail boat to get to the nearest BTS, which is the Skytrain in Bangkok. We could also take a bus, but we think that the longtail boat is a better option since it provides you a beautiful scenery of the canals in Bangkok. Is actually the easiest way because it's above ground and you don't have to deal with traffic or anything. It is actually the perfect way to go from one place to the other in Bangkok. In order to get to the birdwatching site, you need to end up at the Kheha BTS Station. At the Kheha BTS Station, you need to take a Tuc Tuc to get to the birdwatching site, which is called Bamboo. They told us to pay 200 baht per person, but we could negotiate to 100 baht per person. So don't agree with the first price that they give you, always negotiate. Sukta Bridge, and there are many seagulls to be found here. This is actually a hidden gem. It is mostly known among the Thai people and most tourists don't know about this place, but it is such an incredible sight to go to the Sukta Bridge and see these amazing seagulls.
Two hours later.
So to you, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe here below for daily travel videos, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye!